All right, what up, man? So sorry, I ain't mean to say what up, man. What up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and I hope you seen a couple more videos before you before you jumped on this one. If not, we're gonna always continue to increase our muscle memory. Uh, if you're new here, I'm super excited. I hate saying super excited. If you're new here, I'm straight up excited to have you join us. I don't know why everybody's super excited. I'm super this. I'm super that. I'm super stoked. Like, man, shut up. Hey, look, I'm straight up excited you here and you joining me today as we dive into the world of trading. We all know it can be a roller coaster ride, but with the right strategies, you can also be incredibly rewarding once you learn this skill. So let's set the stage for some practical tips and help you strive or thrive in the trading game. All right. So let's get all gas, no brakes for a minute. Many traders fail in some common traps that can lead to failure. First up, emotional decision making. All right, you might think you're being rational, but those gut feelings can lead you astray. Then the issue of lack of knowledge. It's easy to jump into trading without fully understanding what you're doing. You might be chasing trends or making impulse buys based on hot tip from a friend. And let's not forget about the allure of quick profits, which can lead to risky bets and ultimately losing. These pitfalls can make trading feel like a minefield, but recognizing them in the first step towards recognizing them is the first step to avoiding them. Basically, you get what I'm saying? Hopefully, my bad on that little breakup. Did do 24 years of service. Got a little shook up in the military and combat, but hey, we're gonna work through it. All right. Let's talk about an effective strategy that can help you navigate these challenges. First and foremost, I will say it and I will say it again. Risk management is crucial. All right. You can't make 1,000 one day and then lose 1,001 the next day. You won't last too long. All right. Always, and I mean always, set a stop loss order to protect your investment. It's okay if you lose. Losing is part of the game. You make 1,000 a day, and then tomorrow you lose 200. You still got 800. You still got some skin in the game. This way, when the market turns on you, you won't lose everything in one bad trade. Next is having a solid trading plan is key. All right, this plan should outline your goals, your risk tolerance, the entry and exit strategies. Stick to the plan like glue. It helps you remain disciplined and avoid emotional decisions we all talk about. Also, educate yourself consistently. All right. The trading landscape is always changing, so stay updated on the market trends and learn from your experiences. Always, just because you find one strategy don't mean it's going to work every single time, or that means you don't have to tweak it here and there. I have a strategy and I tweak it here and there. I keep the basis of it and then I tweak it for the different markets that I'm trading, especially on the daily time frame. I might say, okay, I see the setup, but the higher time frame is going bullish, and I'm trying to go bearish. All right, you get what I'm saying? So, and then I use support and resistance. All right, so I'm gonna show you the difference of how I used to trade and how I trade now. But here's the biggest takeaway: keep it simple. Keep it simple. All right, discipline and consistency is your best friends in trading. It's not about making a killing in one trade. It's about making smart decisions consistently over time. Think about trading as a marathon, not a sprint. Successful traders keep their emotions in check and stick to their strategies, even when the market gets wild. If you can maintain that discipline, setting yourself up for long-term success in the game. Here's the deal, and I know a lot of you been through this because I've been through this. If you lose one trade, it's okay. You know, you use the proper risk management. That doesn't mean your strategy doesn't work. It just means at that time frame you saw that bias worked against you. It happens. All right, we see a prime setup, boom, it goes against us. Some news happens. That doesn't mean that strategy doesn't work. All right, so just continue to tweak that strategy, constantly optimize it, and then go from there. All right. So here's the biggest key, right? Let's move over to the chart. I'm gonna show you this. Share my screen real quick. Let me go in here, show my screen real quick. All right. Boom. All right. And also let me change this. Before we get started, I have a Telegram group and a Discord group. I'm more active in the Telegram group, but I do post in the Discord. If you like Discord, the links will be down in the description. And before we move on, please make sure you hit that like button and the subscribe button and the bell for notifications. And comment down below if you've been using my strategy and if it works for you. All right. Or if you optimize it, tell me what works better for you. All right. And I never shy away from questions. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. No question is the dumb question. All right. The only dumb question is the one you didn't ask and you assumed. All right. So don't make an ass out of yourself by assuming. All right. Check this chart out. I bet you like, man, what the hell? HEW hockey sticks. Look, this is how I used to trade. I got a buddy of mine, you know, he has all kind of stuff on his charts. And his charts look like this. All right. His charts look like this. All right. And I'm like, bro, how are you trading this? All right. He's trading like this. Get what I'm saying? You have all these, and I'm not saying it doesn't work for him. All right. I don't know for a fact if it works 100% for him, but I do know this is how I used to be when I first came in the game. And I was like, man, I'm going to get the more indicators I get, the more profitable I'm going to be, the more confluences I get. Confluences are not technically indicators. All right. Technically speaking. All right. When they mean confluences, they don't mean 8 different indicators. You got 7, you got 10, 11 indicators on the chart. That doesn't mean that. All right. This right here clouds your judgment. You get what I'm saying? So if you go from here, you can't even see the candles really. You got to buy right here. You got to buy right here. Oh, if I buy right here, look, it came up here. This one is telling me this is a support zone. I can't buy up here. No, oh, look, I'm selling right here. But this one says I'm not where I'm supposed to be, or it's the MACD is not where it's supposed to be. Boom, boom, blow. All right. And just think about it. If you move to the 15-minute chart, you all over the place. All right. What about the 1-minute chart? All over the place. All right. You got all these indicators. Look, Heikinaishi strategy. All right. Smart money concepts, moving averages, blah, blah, blah. All right. Look at all this mess. All right. Let's move this out the way. Now tell me if you see what's going on. I mean, this is probably overdoing it, but you get the concept I'm saying. All right. Now look at this. When I go to this one, look at this chart. All right, this is the daily trading strategy, and I took it. I took some out because a lot of you guys. I'll do a video on the ATR and exactly how to jump in these trades, how to do pinning orders later on. Let me know if you want me to show you how to do the pinning orders, and then I will show you exactly how place a buy stop order at 20% times the ATR. That's for more long-term trading. All right, if you have patience enough and you have a 9 to 5, you can't jump on the 15-minute charts all the time. You get what I'm saying? So first and foremost, see how clean this chart is. This chart is super clean. You get what I'm saying? All right, and I'm keep squinting my eyes. I know you guys see it. I got this bright light in here. I'm not used to this bright light. I need to give me some glasses with some shades on it. All right, let's keep it moving. All right, daily trading strategy. All right, wait for the price to break above the 20-period moving average or below the 20-period moving average. All right, 2 candle lows must plot above the moving average to give a trading signal. All right, that is for buys. All right, and for sales is the opposite. So it'll be 2 candle highs. All right, let's go ahead and screenshot this, and then I will take this off the chart. I will move it out the way. All right, let me unlock this, and I will move this out the way. All right, let's move this. I need to find a tool where I can just get rid of all these at one time. All right. So look, this is plain and simple. Mark off August trading month. And then when we start September, I will do the same. All right. I don't look from the previous month. Once that previous month is done, I'm done with it. All right. I'm only looking for trades that set up in the current month. As you can see right here, look. Let's go back. And man, you back testing and on the charts on TradingView. Guess what? If you don't test and you don't study and you don't know what to look for, you don't look. I get sick of people saying, "Oh, back testing this. I'm a forward test back." You got to do some type of test to know what you're looking for. You get what I'm saying? There's people who set boundaries and set these trading things, this whole market before you. So there's people who knows how to trade and know what to look for. So you following those footsteps, stop trying to recreate the wheel. If your benefit is to get profitable and have income for you or your family, stop trying to recreate the wheel when it comes to this. All right, learn it and then move on and optimize it and move on from here. You get what I'm saying? I'm not trying to say, let me tell you that. I'm not trying to say don't be creative. What I'm saying is that if the wheel is created, just add to the wheel. Don't recreate the wheel if the wheel is already done. That's like going out there and somebody give you a tire for your car and you need a tire. You be like, no, I don't want that tire. I'm gonna just make my own tire real quick. Why? You know what I'm saying? All right, so let's move on. Hope I didn't go on a tangent too long for you guys. All right. So the month of August started, right? So we looking for whatever we looking for sales or whatever happens. At the same time, if you look, it has to completely cross two. So if we're looking for buy or sales, right, it's 2 candle lows. So only for sales, and I'm just showing this because we already took this trade in my group. Sales, 2 candle highs. All right, for those who's gonna ask me this, and I know you're gonna ask me this. All right, for one, if you ask me this question, that means after this day 4, if you did not listen to the whole video, you skimmed through it. And for 2, it means you didn't literally pay attention. So pay attention. All right, for sales, 2 candle low highs. All right, 2 consecutive bearish candles must close below the 20 SMA. No wicks or parts of the candle should touch the SMA. Otherwise, otherwise, trade is invalid. Do you guys understand what I'm saying? I say and beat this dead horse every single time. And trust me, I want you to ask me questions. But if you ask me questions of something I already covered, and you still ask me the same thing, go over it, rewind. That's the same thing I did when I learned this concept. Go over it, rewind. I just kept going over it, and finally it stuck. Sales, 2 candle highs, 2 consecutive bearish candles must close below the 20 SMA. No wicks or no parts of the candle should touch the SMA. Otherwise, trade is invalid. Let's move on to this. All right. As you can see, nothing has crossed over. All right. Nothing has crossed over. All right. Nothing has crossed over. It crossed over, but it's still on the line. All right. Look, crossed over. Now, look, let's check this out. 1 candle. That is a high. That is a high. This down here would be a low. This up here is a high. First candle. Mark it off with your boom, your arrow. 2 candle. And look, I'm in the trade. I put the stop loss at the SMA. Jump in the trade. 1 for 1. And I don't care if you trade 1 for 1, 2 for 1, whatever the case may be, 1 for 5, whatever the case. That's your prerogative. All right. Why is that so high? Let's go. Let's do a standard lot. Standard lot. And go up here. Boom. We're in profit. All right. As you can see, it's about to touch the 50, the 60. And we about 53 pips in profit. If you want to take the profit now, take it. Stop. I tell everybody, stop trying to be 100% right all the time. You don't, well, I'm gonna stay in until it hit that TP. Man, if you see this thing floating at $500, take it and run. Take it and roll with it. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's go to the rest of the chart. All right, so we did take some losses. Let me show you. Euro CAD. So what I should have did was I seen it stretched the range at the beginning of the month. What I shouldn't have did was took any buy trades unless it broke above this high up here, broke up and retest. But we took a loss right here. It's okay, it happens. All right, on Euro CAD. All right, we took a loss right here. Or what? Typically, this is not a loss as of right now, so I'll put this one still in progress. All right, the first of the trading month is right here. See, it broke through. On buys, it's 2 candle lows. It's low. This is high. This is low. All right. So if you look right here, took the trade on the 19th. You got 117. Let's see where it goes this month. All right. Currently, it is still, and I'm gonna be honest, if it comes below this, it breaks below this, I will get out with, and this is risk management. This is just proper risk management. It's about 67 pips. All right. So if it goes below there, we're gonna get out. All right. So that's my losses in progress. As you can see right here, 2 candle lows going for 80 points, pips. All right. As you can see right here, we about to move that to the winning column. And I am hoping this makes sense to you. 2 candle lows. I do this every single video. All right. And this is why I tell you how to succeed in trading and avoid the common mistakes and failure. The problem is if you first jump in, let's get out here so you're not distracted. If you first jump into trading, right, and you go down to the 5, you trading, I want to make some quick money. I see these people making 60,000 a trade, trading 15 minutes, this and that. If you're trading on and you first come in the game and you don't know a price action and you can't be profitable on the higher time frame, it's very unlikely you're going to be profitable on the lower time frame because it moves a lot faster and you're not used to trading on the lower time frame like that. Trade on the high time frame. And what I want you to do is, and let's move, let's do another let's find us another. Let's find us one with nothing. Go to the higher time frame. Let me see if it comes up. Go to the higher time frames, right? And then let me bring this back up. Turn these candles a different color. Turn them white and black. Let's do that. White and white and white and black. All right. Look on the higher time frame, right? And just look at the price action, how it's going up, down, sideways. Try to identify sideways movement. You know what I'm saying? Try to identify downtrend. All right. Consolidation. You get what I'm saying? Support and resistance on the higher time frame. All right. Look, you got, boom, they pretty much in the same area. All right. Pretty much in the same area. All right. These things like this, I start identifying support and resistance on the higher time frame. Because if you think about it, look, when you go to that 5-minute time frame, these things move a lot faster. And if you're not ready to get in and out of these, the same concept. But look, it just takes a little bit more. And if you're not used to that, each candle is a day. It takes 24 hours. You get what I'm saying? And look at this price action. All right. You got your highs over here. Of course, this happened in July. All right. You got your lows down here. All right. You get what I'm saying? Look at this candle wick. So look, let me show you something without anything, without any SMAs or anything. Look, see this long wick? Right one right there. You don't, on this pair, on your CAD, don't take anything until it breaks through. Look at this. 1, 2, 3. Take the trade. I'm just blindly taking the trade. Look at that. Blindly taking it. You get what I'm saying? Just blindly taking. If you just follow price action the way it moves, you don't need all these indicators. Yes, I use the 20 SMA because I just like to jump on the chart. Okay, boom. It's above it. I'm only looking for buys. If it's below, I'm only looking for sell trades. Get what I'm saying? So that's the easiest thing with it. But if you look, you go down to the minute time frame, you can do the same thing. But here's the key. Here's the key. You have to be a little bit faster because each one comes in a minute. Yeah, we're looking at it now. It's going to go up because this is hindsight. But if you look, each one takes a minute. All right, this thing is moving. All right, you get what I'm saying? It takes a minute. You got to zoom out to see, okay, let me hurry up. And if you're brand new, let me hurry up and pull right here. Oh, shoot, which way is it going? Is it going to go down? Is it going to go up? Because these things move every single minute. If you're brand new to the game, it's going to be a little harder. And stop trying to get in the game and make money overnight. The game is longevity. If you're new, you're not going to be doing the same thing those guys are doing, 6,000 in, 15 minutes or hour or something. Because more than likely, if it's a real trader, they put skin in the game. You don't have skin in the game. Get what I'm saying? So go to this daily time frame and be patient. Be patient. Be patient. Look, you jumped in this trade. Let's just go over this again, and then we're gonna get back to the charts. All right, let's erase everything and go from here. Boom! You see this nice this nice wick down candle hit. It probably hit support. Well, not probably. It did hit somebody's support. All right, stretch the price range out. Look, let's go over here. All right, you can put a buy stop up here, and let's see what this price is. Buy stop up here. And make this thing, let's just make it 140 pips to make it breathe, to let it breathe. 140 pips, right? And I don't want to go off on a tangent. Or you can go down here. Let's see if this works. And this is just random, just jump it in. All right, buy stop. I can't do it on here, so I'll do it like this. Buy stop. Use the right risk management. Use the right risk management. And let's see how that goes. All right, and let me show you something else. Let's put that 20 SMA. Go to indicators, simple moving average by stocks and box. We only need one SMA on here, and that's the 20. Let's get rid of all these other ones. Boom. Get rid of all these other ones. All right, and let's go to SMA number 1. I make it yellow. You make it whatever color you want. Opacity and thickness. Make sure that's 20. Now look at this. Oh, I'm sorry. We're not doing that one. All right, my bad. All right, now look. Trail your stops. Come up here. All right, we still moving up. Trail your stop to break even now. All right, so let's go up some more. Now look, now we in profit. See what I mean? And that's where we at. All right, so we at August 27th. But if you look, your profit, you're in profit. I mean, your risk management, not risk management, but your stop loss should be right here. So you'll be in profit regardless. You get what I'm saying? Regardless. Pretty simple, right? All right, let's go through these. And that's just showing you off of pure price action, no indicator, the one I use. So my strategy, like I said, look at these. So at the end of the day, you're going to have some losses. But if you look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 trades. All right, and let's just move this one over here because we're going to get out of this one. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 and 2 possible. So 13 trades total. 1 loss, EuroCAD. You see it. This is potentially about to be another loss. So we might just move this one over here. All right. And in progress, we're still in this trade. So 10 wins and 2 losses so far for the month, and these are all daily time frame trades. So let's do the math. Let's just do the math. Let's just say on a smaller scale, you got 100 times 10 trades. You got 2 losses, which is 200. And let's say this wins or loses. Let's just say for positive mentality's sake, this one wins too. Plus 100. You're up $900 for the month. You're up $900 that you did not have to begin with. You get what I'm saying? Smaller. 1, that's 10 trades. 10 times 10. All right. $100 minus 20 bucks. $80. And plus, let's add this one. So you up $90 for the month. You get what I'm saying? On a smaller time frame. On a higher time frame. All right. Say you do 100. I'm sorry. If you got a big trading account, say you got the money, you know how to trade, you go get a 250K or $200,000 account, and you do 500 times 10. 5,000. You know what I'm saying? And then we lost 2. So minus 2,000. All right. And say this one is a win. Plus 1,000. You're up 4,000 for the month. You get what I'm saying? I'm not going to keep doing the math on that. You'll understand where I'm going with this. The daily time frame is king. And that's why a lot of you guys, I'm showing you how to succeed. I'm giving you the foundation to build your house and your tools. You trade in the daily time frame is king. You get what I'm saying? And use the proper risk management. And a lot of these trades played out the beginning of the month, you know, the middle of the month. All right. It's just about being patient. Middle of the month. That's the 19th. That started at the 19th. This one started on the 20th. All right. This one, 19th. 19th. Let's go to the next one. 21st is when we jumped in that trade. Let's see. 19th. Lost this one and got that one back. So break even 20th. All right. And 22nd of the month. All right. See what I'm going at? Look. 20th of the month. All right. 19th. We lost this one. And the 19th, we lost this one. So just think about it. We had to go majority of the month before we found that setup. But at the end of the day, if you were in profit, it was well worth it. You get what I'm saying? It's well worth it. And regardless, if it's not about winning every single trade, you're going to take losses. It's about managing your risk and not, and I say outweighing the odds. That's what I'm going to say, outweighing the odds. All right. You have more in favor that covers your losses. The 10 trades right here covers the losses. You know what I'm saying? And having the right risk management and the right amount of capital. All right. If you don't have the capital, but you have the trading skill, go seek out one of the prop firms. If you do have the capital and things of that nature, go ahead on and do what you got to do as far as risk management. Okay. Y'all get what I'm saying? All right. Other than that, I hope I did. I hope I beat the dead horse again. Like I said, all gas, no brakes. And here's the biggest thing I want to leave you guys with. All right. I want to basically tell you that time frame is king, baby. All right. We covered some critical points today. The importance of being aware of common trading pitfalls, necessity of risk management, and the power of a solid trading strategy. All right. The power of a solid trading strategy. Let me tell you again. Let me get rid of this. So the power of a good trading strategy. All right. So and remember, discipline and consistencies are the keys to winning in trading. The more prepared you and educated you are, the better your chances of succeeding. All right. The biggest thing is you got to know a little bit about the news and things of that nature, but don't overconsume yourself. All right. Learn a little bit at a time. You know, learn learn what some of the news that comes out with. And I'm gonna be honest with you. I know a lot of acronyms of the news, but I really don't pay attention to the news sometimes because at the same time, I have the proper risk management and I have enough breathing room for my trade. So if it goes down, it can come back up. All right. Now I want to hear from you guys. Share your trading experiences in the comments below. What challenges you have faced, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button in the ring the bell for notifications, whatever you want to call it, and don't miss out on the next video as we dive into more trading advanced techniques. All right, thanks for watching, and I want to tell you, daily time frame will put some profits in your pocket once you learn this skill. Annette, all gas, no brakes. Y'all have a good trading week.